Here's how you can share a video link within a playlist for free using TubeBuddy. Hello TubeBuddies! Sharing a video link within a playlist is a great way to help you earn more views. Because instead of relying on YouTube to recommend the next video from you, your link is already doing that. Sharing a video link within a playlist currently is a bit complicated. However, with TubeBuddy, it's as simple as just a few clicks. You can start by clicking on the TubeBuddy drop-down menu, and then click on the My Videos page. From here, hover over a video you want to share within a playlist. I'll hover over the social monitor video we did for this example. Click on this TubeBuddy icon here, and then click on the Info tab. Here you can see the video ID, a direct link to the video, and a link to the video within a playlist of your choosing. If you don't see the playlist option, that just means that your video isn't in a playlist. You should either add your video to an existing playlist, or create a new playlist around it. We at TubeBuddy have more plans to make videos around playlists, so if you're interested, subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of when that video releases. We'll go ahead and share this video within our free tools playlist. We'll copy the link by clicking on Copy and open the link in a new tab. This way, if people want to see more of the TubeBuddy free tools, this link makes it easy for them to watch more. We'll see that this video is in a playlist, and when it's done, it will automatically go to the next video here, which, in our case, is our Quick Links TubeBuddy video. This makes it easy for your audience to watch more of your content, and is a great way to earn more views with playlists. This playlist does have a lot of videos, so it might overwhelm some people. We'll go ahead and make a new playlist with all of the TubeBuddy free share features and include that one in this video's description. This lets you test out what works best when sharing out your videos. We also have plans to make it easy for you to share a video within a playlist on the Videolytics options found here. You would see the same screen from earlier, but on the Video Watch page. Where would you like the option to share your videos? Be sure to let us know in those comments down below. Want to see who shared out your video and where? Check out our free social monitor tool video. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy. Now go out and share those videos within a playlist.